everyone.
Hello, this is Millie
And James.
from Weekend RVing.
Yes.
We are going to Mexico, Algodones, Mexico. We're gonna try to get some dental work done.
Yes, we're gonna go there and get a little dental work done and get some of our prescriptions filled.
Yeah, and we've never been, so this is going to be quite nerve-wracking and fun at the same time. So
yeah.
We'll take you along with us.
I'm not a big fan of the dentist, so I'm the one that's the worried one. but we got to get it done. Time to do it.
Bring your rig here and park for the day. But it's $6 for a vehicle. It's a big parking lot. Nice ride.
Tacos around the corner are the best.
Thank you.
Anyway, we just really enjoyed coming down here, so we thought we'd take you guys with us today.
Place to go. Picture.
Come in, ladies. I got it.
Prescription.
Come here, guys.
Dental care. Pretty decent. We didn't go
You guys
that
say hi
way.
to my video?
Oh, no problem. Hi.
Hi. Our friends, Grassroots Living.
Good morning. You guys interested in dental? Slow down. Right here.
Just following them around.
Oh, are you way back?
It's the same name as the other one.
Yeah, we'll just wait here.
It could get very confusing, but I think once you kind of done it one time.
A lot of dentists, a lot of eye doctors.
Yes.
Pharmacies, a lot of pharmacies.
And the prescriptions are like, oh my gosh, unreal.
I just had 4 feelings, and half of my face is numb, so I can't feel it. So.
But you can't eat some
I
authentic
can't eat either.
Mexican.
We're here in Mexico, and I just
Lord
had all
have
this
mercy.
tooth work, and I'm not allowed to eat for 4 hours.
Are you kidding?
I'm sad.
I
love Mexican food.
I feel sorry for you, sweetie. So there's nobody around us, so I decided I'm gonna take off my mask. And Phoenix Drugstore is what Grassroots Living like to buy their prescriptions, and we were just in one too.
Yeah, there's
not
a
the
lot
same one, but the other one, same name, same branch.
Yeah, put your mask on.
Okay, mask is back on. Don't you just love these things?
Yeah, it keeps us safe though.
Yeah. sure I don't go too far deep and get lost.
No, thank you. How much? You know where you're going? You know where you're going.
And across the street, there's dentists everywhere, you guys. And it smells so good. So there's some taco.
You got massage, you got haircut, manicure, pedicure.
This is a good place to eat.
Yeah, I couldn't remember if it was our video or...
So yeah, James can't eat. But I'm gonna see what I can eat because I can.
Alright, let's go back to the first one.
Looks delicious.
So spicy.
Sí, lleva buen sonido, güey. No, date cuenta que ese güey yo no lo puedo ver, güey. ¿Lo vendió solo? ¿Eh? ¿Lo vendió no?
Ya no cambié la bolsa. Maybe a drop of that hot sauce. Just a drop. So we're with Dean and Shalane from Grassroots Living. This is the official hello with faces. So we're gonna enjoy our food now, and James gets to watch us. There's the wall. Hey, see, this is in like the walkway, and they have see somebody's wiping down their doors, so they are you know, doing all the safety measures, cleaning protocols, and make sure that we are safe from the Rona. Signs everywhere, and people are wearing masks. I had the cactus candy.
Yeah, the coconut candy maybe is good. I don't know. But it's pretty anyway. Yeah.
What, coconut candy?
Yeah.
These are teas that you get here.
They're a tea.
Yeah, them are teas.
Interesting.
Cute.
Would you like to try some?
It's called graviola in English. In Mexico,
This is
it's called
for
guanabana.
$48.
Guanabana.
Guanabana.
I know.
That's amazing. And this capsule is also $48 for
And it's like a tablespoon.
Exactly, for 1 cup of water.
Yeah. And you have a tea, like you put it in a like
this one. That's a good one.
like a tea. What do you call that?
Oh, like a filter type of
$2.
too.
Okay, if you get it, I want to taste a piece. Huh? Oh yeah. Here.
If you see both sides, there's purple buildings, and up ahead there's that place, and we know we're back to where we need to check in.
Or check out. Here, we get across the road.
Check in for getting back to
United States.
United States. And
It's been a fun day.
we're not allowed to film in there, but we're documenting this travel, so next time we come back we'll know how to get back on our own. Maybe we can bring some friends with us. But there it is, guys. There's hold on, there's an information, tourist information. There's the famous wall. There's a line. Long line. So it's kind of like noon now, and there's a big line. We're trying to get to the very back. We have come to the end of the line.
Yes, right, lady? You wanted the mask?
Schedule. I don't know what that means.
So we went through the customs, and now this is the I think the exit to the States. We're actually back in the United States. So
We're vlogging vloggers.
We're vlogging vloggers vlog.
All right, good news.
It was a fun time.
We're back. We made it.
Right here.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this is the entrance here, and that side is where you come out if you drive.
So we are on our way out. We are back in the US, and obviously we're not allowed to record, but I'm gonna have to capture this. Overall, how do you rate your experience?
I think it was fantastic. I don't know if I can give it a rating system, because I did have my teeth worked on, but the dentist there was fantastic. Did a
Highly
great
recommend?
job. Oh yeah. Which I'm not a big fan of dentists, and they were very good and took care of me.
Awesome. Me as well.
Awesome.
We're gonna put this video together and hope you guys gives it a big thumbs up, like and share this video, and hopefully somebody will learn or get an idea of how it is like getting around in Mexico. We're obviously first timers, but we did all right, and it helped a lot that we had some friends that went with us.
Welcome to California.
Yep, and there's a sign welcoming us back to California, and there's a big river on the right side there, if you could kind of see it. It's really warm right now. It'd be nice to go swimming, but I'm kidding. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, hit the big thumbs up, like and share, hit notification bell for future uploads, and tell your friends about weekend RVing. See you guys later.